In primetime news this evening, sitting councillor gunned down in St. Catherine, members of the political directorate stunned.
Some prosecutors stay off the job Thursday over wage issues.
And USA government unhappy with Jamaica's refusal to grant immunity to spouse of gay diplomat. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janelle, this evening we're talking about trade, and guess what? There was a marginal decrease in the trade deficit. I'll give those numbers a little later on.
And Jermaine Brown also has a preview of what's to come in sports, and it's track and field.
Well, thanks, Archie. Well, many were wondering just how ready Shelly Fraser-Price is for the 100 meters. Well, she showed up and showed out in Switzerland today. We'll tell you more about that and lots more a bit later on.
Yeah, as you said, ready like Shelly, right? And Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks so much, Janella. We are expecting drier conditions this weekend than we have been having over the past few days. Sunny skies and warm weather. We also have strong winds.
I have to keep remembering, he's not causing the weather, he's just reporting it.
Right.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and of course later on, Romain and his forecast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you make of the decision by the country's prosecutors to protest for better wages and improved working conditions?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.